the garage door from hell. I've been working on that damn door since 8 this morning. It's about 4:30 and I finally got that damn thing where it would track right. It's still not going up right, but at least the damn door is open. Whew. Now I gotta clean this mess up because I gotta bring my little mini truck in because I gotta do a bunch of work to it. I gotta get it ready for hunting season next year. That four-wheeler needs to be sent off to get repaired too. Lots of money going out with no money coming in. Oh well, that's life.